Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can change receiver's name on Western Union. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up in Java preferred browser, go over to Western Union. Now from the available results, open up this quick money transferring page of Western Union and note the home page of it to minimize time wasting. And after that, make sure you are logged in. And once you are logged in, go over to the hamburger menu from the top bar and select History tab from the drop-down menu. Now your transaction history will open up in front of you. Now there will be two sections here. One will be green and the other one will be yellow. And note that you can only change a receiver's name where the transaction history is yellow, because the green ones are completed transaction, so they cannot be edited. And this is basically how you can change receiver's name on Western Union. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.